Alrighty, here we are on lesson 29, multi-step problems, and we are using all operations now. So we had two steps in the lesson before this. Now we're going to add a third step in. So our first step now is going to be to distribute. So that's what's going on this first line here. So first we distribute. Alright, then second we undo addition and subtraction. And then our last step is going to be undo multiplication and division. Alright, so if we look at our first example here, we have to get rid of these parentheses first. So that's why we're going to distribute. So we're going to distribute the 4 to both parts. 4 times 2x would be 8x, plus 4 times 4 is 16, equals 56. So now this is more like what we had before. So we have to undo this addition by subtracting 16 from both sides. And we have 8x equals 40. These are gone. And then we have to undo our multiplication by dividing by 8 on both sides. So we end up with x equals 5. Okay, so now if we go in and check, still plugging in for x, so we have 4 times the quantity 2 times 5 plus 4. Check to see if this equals 56, so we have 4. Got to do our parentheses first, so we have 10 plus 4 equals 56. We add the inside of the parentheses, 4 times 14 then equals 56. And it does work, we get 56 equals 56. So that means we are good to go. Number 2 here, first we have to distribute this 2 into both parts. Don't forget to go to both parts. So we have 2x plus 6, and this equals 18. Right, and then we have to subtract 6 from both sides. So these 6's are gone, and we're left with 2x equals 12. Now to undo our multiplication, we divide by 2 on both sides. So we get x equals 6. So if we go back and check, we're going to plug that back in. So we have 2 times 6 plus 3 equals 18. And we have 2, got to do our parentheses first. 6 plus 3 is 9 equals 18. And 2 times 9 is 18. So 18 does equal 18. So we are good to go. Alrighty, number 3 here. Got to get rid of the parentheses first. So we multiply the 4 to both parts. So 4 times 3m would be 12m. Minus 4 times 3 is 12, and this equals 24. So first we have to undo our subtraction here by adding 12 to both sides. So these are gone, and we get 12m equals 36. And now we're going to divide by 12 on both sides, and we get m equals 3. So now if we go back in to check, we have 4 times the quantity, we have 3 times 3, minus 3 equals 24. Those order of operations, do the inside of the parentheses first. We have to multiply first, so we have 9 minus 3 equals 24. And this will be 4 times 6, which equals 24. And I ran out of room, but we do know that 4 times 6 is 24, so we are good to go. Alright, we're going to do one more all together here. And so just because the setup looks a little different does not mean that you don't know how to do this. It's just that now the number's on the left-hand side instead of the right. We still have to get rid of these parentheses first, so we got to distribute our 5. So we have 35 equals 5 times 4 is 20, plus 5 times 3 is 15x. So now we have to undo our addition here with our 20, so that means we have to subtract 20 from both sides. Remember, if you don't see a minus sign, that means you're adding. And we get 15 equals 15x. So to undo our multiplication, we divide by 15 on both sides. And we get 1 equals x. So if we go in and check, we have 35 equals 5 times 4 plus 3 times 1. we get 35 equals 5 times 4 plus 3. 35 equals 5, and this is 7, and we do get that 35 equals 35, so we are good to go. Okay, for these last two here, I want you to try them. Oh, I don't remember my pen. Try these on your own, 5 and 6. For 5, you should get that x equals 2, and for 6, you should get that k equals 10. Alright, so try these on your own, both of them. Use your examples from up above to help you follow your steps, and then we will check them in class and do some more practice all together.